Hello everyone, I'm Yoshimasa Tawatsuj from the University of Tokyo. Today my talk title is BRAES, Developing Brain Difference Architecture Editorial System for Accumulating Hypotheses on Neural Functionality. First of all, we at WBAI, Whole Brain Architecture Initiative, aim to realize a whole brain architecture in 2026. In whole brain architecture, functions are assigned to measure brain organs such as neocortex, nuclei in basal ganglia, and nuclei in hippocampus based on the brain difference architecture approach. The results of such work are summarized as BRA data, which consists of anatomical data on the target brain organ and data on the functionality assigned to each brain region. In this presentation, we will present BRAES BRA editorial system, a system for submitting and reviewing designed BRA data. First, the design of BRA data consists of three major steps. First, a contributor extracts knowledge about the anatomy of the region of interest from neuroscience papers and data. This is connection information on neuron groups called uniform circuits. And we call it BIF, brain information flow. Next, the contributor determines the ROI and TLF, top-level function. Finally, based on the internal structure of the ROI, the contributor decomposes the TLF and determines the computational function of each uniform circuit. We call this hypothetical component diagram HCD. A set of BIF data and HCD's data is collectively called BRA data. BRA data is designed in Google spreadsheet format. BRAES is a system for submitting, reviewing, and publishing data with the aim of widely sharing such BRA data. There are four main functions. First, providing manuals and tutorials for BRA data design. Second, receiving a submission of BRA data. Third, reviewing BRA data. And fourth, publishing accepted BRA data on Creative Commons license. The data will be reviewed by neuroscience and engineering experts from three perspectives: authenticity of the BIF, and consistency of HCD with the BIF, and functionality of the HCD. We have also designed a manual for the reviewer. We believe that broadly sharing the BRA data will contribute to the rapid elucidation of the computational functions of the entire brain. Like solving a crossword by accumulating BRA data, we can estimate the computational functions of unknown uniform circuit. This estimation becomes easier as more data is accumulated. In other words, the candidates for computational functions to be assigned become more limited. And at some theoretical point, the assignment of computational functions will proceed rapidly. So please submit the BRA data. More detail will be discussed in the poster. We look forward to hearing your opinions. Thank you so much.